back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you all are doing great. This is the last video of 2020 and I'm super excited for 2021 as well. Anyways, for this video, I'm gonna take you guys through Esplanade Market, which is also known as Dharmatola Market or New Market. It is an amazing market, and over here you can buy clothing item, accessories, bags, shoes, you name it, and you're gonna find it over here. So I'm super excited to take you guys through this market, and at the end of the video I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got from this particular market. Also, a lot of you kept on asking me about my hair care routine, since I don't have a very elaborate hair care routine. So I thought in this particular video I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what all I do for my hair. So these are the two products that I like to use. It is from Plum and it is called their Olive and Macadamia range. So it has a shampoo and a mask. These are the two things that I use. I had said it a lot of times. So basically why I use this particular range is it is free from harmful chemicals. Also, if you know about Plum, it is chemical free. Also, it is cruelty free, vegan. This particular product has no chemicals in it. There are 7 chemicals that is not present in this particular range. So I'm gonna say you guys what are the chemicals that is not present in this particular product. So basically it is free from sulfate, silicone, alcohol, paraben, etc. I am very aware of the fact that a lot of us don't know why we should go ahead and choose a shampoo that has no sulfate in it. I'm going to explain you guys so that you guys have some sort of idea about sulfate free shampoos from now. First reason that why you shouldn't use a shampoo that has sulfate in it is like if you have frizzy hair like I do, then the shampoos that contain sulfate is going to lift your cuticles and it is going to make your hair more frizzier, which we don't want. The second reason is if you have hair that is chemically treated, like I have chemically treated my hair, in that case your hair is already dry, and if you use a shampoo that has sulfate in it, then your hair is going to be even drier and frizzy, which we all don't want at all. The third reason is if you like to shampoo your hair on a regular basis, then the shampoos that has sulfate in it is going to stop the formation of natural oil in your hair, which is very bad, and it is going to damage your hair in the long run, which we definitely don't want. So definitely choose a shampoo that has no sulfate in it. Now let me show you how this particular shampoo is. I'm gonna pump in a little bit to show you how it is. So as you can see, it is completely like a clear gel, and if you buy shampoos, like if you know Plum products, you would know it has no chemicals. That is the reason it is so clear, and I really love it. I wash my hair twice a week, and so far I am loving it. After I am done shampooing my hair, I like to use a mask, and I use this particular mask. Let me show you how it is as well. So I'm going to take little bit of product in order to make you understand how thick this particular product is. See, it is not dropping at all. This product is very thick, and since I have dry hair, it helps me to prevent dryness. Also, I like to style my hair on a regular basis, so I need something, a mask that is thick like this, so that my dryness is gone completely. I personally love to use this range, and you can also definitely go ahead and try out this particular range from Plum. I will be mentioning the product link in the description box. You can definitely go and check it out. Once again, I'm going to tell you the name. The name is Plum, Olive and Macadamia. So definitely give this one a try. And now without any further ado, let's quickly hop into the video. So this is the overview of the Esplanade Market. As you can see, it's a big area, and it has a lot of stalls. As soon as you enter the market, you're gonna find a lot of stalls that will be selling shoes. So firstly, I went to this stall that was selling ethnic Kolhapuris and jutis. They had some unique design, and they are gonna cost you around rupees 250 to 400. In case if you are not a fan of Kolhapuris, then you can go ahead and check out sneakers like this. As you can see, they have a wide varieties of sneakers from bright pink to yellow to orange, you name it, and you're gonna get it over here. The price will start from rupees 400 and goes up to rupees 1000. Also, don't forget to bargain in really well. During this time, you can find a lot of slippers in this market. Basically, they are winter slippers, and the price will start from rupees 200 and goes up to rupees 300. This time at Esplanade Market, I found a wide variety of winter wears. As you can see, this local vendor were selling pajamas for winters and they were really soft and cozy. Also, you can get unique things like shrugs, jackets, etc. You can find good quality woolen and fur tops like this, but make sure you check the quality as there are no exchange policies in this market. Also, the price range will start from rupees 150 and goes up to rupees 400. I even spotted some cool denims which you can get at Forever 21 for 1050, but over here it was only for rupees 450. Esplanade Market is known for its jewelry collection. As you can see, this vendor was selling everything for only rupees 20. If you like junk jewelries, then this particular market is a paradise for each and every one of you. Over here you can find wide varieties of junk jewelries, black polish, replicas, everything is available in this particular market. I found this really old man and he was selling hoops for rupees 80 to 90. In order to support him, I got one hoop from this vendor. In case if you visit Esplanade Market, then definitely go and buy something from this particular man. You can find a lot of varieties when it comes to necklace and neck pieces. I personally love black polish ka necklace, so I tried few of them out. Also, they had some amazing collection in mirror work. This market is filled with cute and random things like from keychain to hampers to boxes, hair bands, hair accessories, you name it and you're gonna get it over here. Holding the best thing till the end, and yes, it is about handbag collection. So if you go to Esplanade Market, you would know that they will sell the most stylish handbags, but you have to dig in a little bit in order to find some good pieces. They also have tiny clutches and bags. I found this roadside stall and they had so many collection of bags. The starting price was from rupees 200 and goes up to rupees 400. I really like this olive green bag and it was for rupees 350. I got a lot of things from Esplanade Market and this is the big bag that I have. They usually give you everything in a black plasticky potli. So at the end of the day, you're gonna have a lot of potlis. So what I did is I got this bag. This particular bag costed me rupees 20 and that is the first thing that I wanted to show to you guys. Now let's dig in and let me show you what else I got. Then I got this particular pouch. I had a similar pouch. I got it from Goria last year, but somehow I had lost it. So I got a new one. It costed me around rupees 150 only. And if you go to Forever 21, you're gonna see that you get similar pouches for 999 rupees. So I think it's a deal. The next thing that I have is this pair of socks. Nothing fancy. I just got them for only rupees 30. So I got it because it is winter season. Then what we have, so I have this big bag and it has a lot of things. Okay, I'm gonna show you a few accessories that I got. Firstly is this finger ring. It says Masakali and it costed me around rupees 180. Then I'm gonna open this ring and show you the next item. Then I got this hoops. I think they are called hoops, but they are in triangle shape. I really liked it and it costed me rupees 90. But I'll tell you the reason why I got it. Basically, there was this uncle and he was really old and he was selling jewelries. Then he asked me for rupees 90. And usually if you go to Esplanade Market, you know you have to bargain at this particular place. But since he was very old and I really wanted to support him, so I went ahead and got this for rupees 90. 90. Usually you can get it for rupees 30 to 40 at Esplanade Market, but that was something that I wanted to do, so I got it for rupees 90. Then I have few clothing items that I really love. Firstly is this sweater. Just look at it. It is so soft and nice. It is in the color pink and it has some sort of cartoons on it. I really like it. It costed me around rupees 250, but he was not willing to bargain at all, so I got it for 150. Then from the same shop I got this one as well, and again it costed me rupees 250, and I think by mistake I had said 150, but actually the price is 250, I don't remember. Anyways, this is how it looks and this is the print it has. Also I had been wearing it for the last 1 to 2 days and it is very soft and comfortable. Also it is going to keep you warm. And then I have this pant. I got two pants. One I am wearing right now. It is in the color pink and the similar one I got in the color yellow. Both the pants costed me rupees 350. The vendor was asking for 400, but I bargained and then he gave it to me for rupees 350. So I got one piece for 175 rupees. And again the quality is very nice, very soft, very apt for winter. The last two things are my absolute favorite. Firstly is this one. This one is a copy of Adidas, and I don't know if it is a copy or not, but it has Adidas written on it. So this is how it looks. I love this particular color, bright orange color, and I think during winter I can wear it a lot. And it costed me only rupees 250. The vendor was asking for 500, but I bargained a lot and then finally I got it for only rupees 250. And it is very comfortable. Also I love the fabric of it. The last piece that I want to show to you guys is this particular piece. It is in a neon green color and this is how it looks. Also it has Zara ka tag. I don't know if it is from Zara or not, but if you go to Esplanade Market you are gonna find similar pieces as well. They asked me for rupees 500, but again I had to bargain and finally I got it for 250 rupees. This particular piece is my favorite piece from the whole haul. I think I can easily wear it and people can never understand that I got it from Esplanade Market. It was really cheap. Also the material is very nice and soft. I don't know if the camera is doing justice to it, but the material is very soft and I totally love it. I'm gonna style it in many ways on my Instagram profile, so in case if you're not following me on my Instagram profile, please go ahead and do so. I'm gonna mention the link in the description box. And that was it about this particular video, guys. I hope you guys have really enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are so close to 30k subscribers, so please hit that subscribe button. And I'm gonna see you guys super soon in 2021. Bye and happy new year to each and every one of you. Bye bye.